everybody, welcome back. We're all doing super well. Today we have Team Alboe with special guests Dr. Ugly, Bong Izzles, and Ryan Say.
Charlie left us, I'm leaving us.
Hobos is recruiting.
Bobo dropped.
Number one album just dropped. Is number one on top 200 Billboard.
Okay, today we are doing the Silent Library Challenge.
Ooh.
But we're not doing any punishment.
Gotta get it out now, you know.
We're doing the ASMR version of Silent Library, and the winner gets
You guys are $9,000 wallet.
$100.
No.
I got it.
But you have to win the most rounds,
You're gonna
okay?
be shit.
Everybody old. I'm winning.
So, as you can see, this is the special device that will be tracking everyone's loudness. Bongo, why don't you explain what this
Alright,
is?
pretty much how it works, guys. It's a sound meter. You turn it on, and we're gonna set the level. So we're gonna set it at the lowest level. So pretty much, if you go over 70 decibels, which is pretty quiet,
You're automatically
DQ it.
Now you might be wondering, where is the ASMR vibes in this? Well, we have another device over here called the lapel mic, which will be attached to the person's shirt so you can really hear the sound that's going on.
Do you have the mic with the ears that you can play with them?
No, that's my next purchase though. We'll start off with round number 1. Who wants to go first?
Me.
So all you have to do is just rip the paper in half. Whoever has the lowest one takes the round. Youngest goes first! Is it Ryan or D?
Hobbs, Ryan.
It's you.
Hobbs.
You played yourself at the end.
You were
What was
at
the
78.
Yeah.
That was the highest, and because of that, you hit 81.
81 for Geek.
You got it. Why would he do
Yeah,
that? Why
Fast
would
is
he
the
do that?
better. Like at the end, like if you go like this, look, gone.
Yeah, but it's peaks.
Wow! What do you get?
68
Oh,
was the highest.
68.
What's the
That's as
one?
high as you got.
68.
That's pretty good.
Oh, Okay.
By rounds.
I'm not the last.
Then last but not least, we got Bongo.
Holy
Bro, that was amazing. That was nice.
60.
Bro, that was nice.
That's the time limit.
Past time limit,
Jeez.
but the strategy was very nice. And I'm the judge, I gotta give it to Bongo for that. So Bongo takes round number 1. Who can open a bottle of pop?
Oh, I know. Nice day. Now I got it.
Since my favorite friend is Ryan and I believe in you the most, I can just look at him. There you go.
I go last.
There you go.
Why the f did I get the stuff?
Okay, so who wants to go first?
I'm going last. I want first. $67.
67, holy shit.
You didn't break.
Let's go.
Stop copying me.
Hit it harder, bro. Let more of it out.
Here, let me see. No, you can't see. Shit.
3.
Sore loser.
Yes, Gigi.
Yeah, good luck. Disqualified, disqualified.
Yo.
It's 70.
John takes the win for round 2. Now it's tied up with Bongo. Moving into round number 3.
Oh,
Bongo's
aged more than anyone.
You know what you
That's
think
light
of
work.
it? Okay.
Oh, ew, I don't like pickles, bro. We have to eat it?
What was that?
44.
Bongo's just doubting pickles for fun.
Yeah.
That's his fourth.
Bro, I've never even, this is my first bite of a pickle.
You never eaten a pickle?
Never.
So you might love them.
No, I don't. I like the cut ones, I don't like.
How do they work, bro? Remember, once it starts falling, that's done. Like, it doesn't count if it goes. Okay. Cut. Okay.
John made yours go way high. You're at 39.
Let's go. Yeah, it looks so funny.
Oh my god, I know a dirty tactic. I know a dirty tactic.
I know that's dirty too.
You're 53, my
I love
G.
too much, you know, you love it.
Yeah, he actually loves
the
it.
taste. How is Ryan the quietest eater? You
Go, baby.
It's loud, it's loud.
Ryan's the loudest eater. Guys, he didn't really bite into it. This guy went.
I did the whole thing. It's in half.
Okay, too much sounds. Too much stuff. Are you dumb? Hate
Still
more.
eating
Hate some more, please. Bongo, stop with your fuck. You ate the whole jar, bro. You drink. You wanna drink?
Oh, you never had.
Holy shit.
It's gonna actually slap. How many pickles you eat?
The whole thing is done. 3 or 4. I just don't want to look like Ryan. He was sucking up the pickle.
Do what you gotta do.
Okay, cheating already. Imagine I bite this. Okay, ready? Why do you want me to lose so bad? Look at
Bongo's
this
making
crunches.
go way
I
up.
can't. Like, stop. I need to win 1 round. Like.
He's over.
70. You didn't even bite into the
Let's go. I opened my mouth and I chewed.
How did Ryan
Let's go. Oh.
Ryan took round number 3, so everyone has a point except for Geek. Come on, bro. You need to step it up. Apple.
I start.
Oh. How big does the bite have to be?
loud.
You have to take a nice bite, not like that. Okay, you're gonna spit this out too? And you're gonna eat out.
I'm like, okay, let's get some rules here. How big?
Alright.
Yeah, that's
A
fair.
normal bite. Like, if I was in this challenge, I would lose. Listen.
I need another. A very long tease, very. Oh, I'm winning, bro.
Look at his smile. This guy's smiling.
Jesus, he ate the whole jar.
It's still there, bro. They're so hard to get out.
You can't even breathe, bro. Holy shit, holy shit.
Holy smokes.
Stop with the pickles, please. Please.
Strategy.
Holy shit, that's so
That was
loud.
like a 55. I'm not gonna count this.
What?
When this hits
Holy
70,
shit.
Hey, we're counting the elbow at 73.
Hey, 73.
Word. No, the big bite, no.
The big web is 56, 55-ish.
Thank you.
And
But it
then
was at the same time as this. That's what I'm
Yeah,
trying to
that's
say.
all counts.
I'll do another one.
What was the other one? What was the max that he hit?
73.
Okay, I'd give him a 69 to be nice.
Yeah, in the middle. Because who told him to put his elbow here?
I ate all pickles. No more.
There's literally no
He
more
actually ate
pickles.
them all?
All of them. Yo, I swear he drank the juice.
You.
No, it's over.
What was that?
67.
Stop saying his was
So mine was 55, that's
I mean,
78,
yeah, we
and
met
then we
halfway.
met at 69.
Why are you looking at me? Immediately overeating. Holy shit.
First of all, everyone's gonna die. Those are not clean apple. He didn't clean them.
Apples.
Apples.
Look at the first, I cleaned mine.
I'm cleaning mine too right now. And an apple a day keeps the doctor away, so don't buy apples.
Yeah, I need to start eating apples more so I never see your face again.
No.
Oh, me.
See, sore losers, it's okay. All right, ready? Watch how I'm gonna win and they're gonna shut up so fast. Okay, I can't, but look at Bongo, look at Bongo. I can, no. Like, come on, you know? Like, I'm trying to focus, stop. What's on your hand? What's in your hand?
nothing's in
No, what the f***'s in his hand? He has a Sprite. He has a Sprite. What?
Ryan's fight.
The bite's a little small.
Bro, this is his bite. This is his bite. This is Gee's bite right here.
He said a bite.
Gee's bite. Look at Gee's bite.
It was bigger than Ryan.
He wins.
The score, the round 4 winner is Gee!
We're all tied.
57.
57.
Bro, that was this Squidward biting your Krabby Patty.
Okay, moving on to the last round.
Oh.
Opening the bag.
You're dead.
Opening the bag?
Opening the bag.
Legwork.
Let me go first.
Gee is in the lead with 2.
What?
Let's
Gee has
my
one.
God.
Bongo has 1. Ryan has 1. And Jad has 1. So literally whoever does this the best wins the $100. Alright? Oldest goes first
Let's go!
for the last round.
Thank you, Judge. I love the judge. Thank you.
Who's the oldest?
Judge.
Oh, Jad, you want to go first.
Oh.
That's it.
You're off. You're off.
I can't.
You gave us so
It was old.
Seventy-four.
my G.
That's hard. This is wrong.
74? I don't believe that.
Every time on my turn, someone's munching. Okay, please.
It's over. Because I refuse to believe I made more than I refuse to. I'm sorry.
Shout out to the boys for being in the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see a part 2, smash that like button down below. I love you guys, and we'll see you in the next one. He also wins the $100.
I need to secure the bag, bro.
Paul was very mad. And we'll see you in the next one.